This bag look familiar? It's the Nestle Toll House bag, and that cookie recipe on the back, that's what we're making today. I'm gonna show you how to make the classic Nestle Toll House cookie recipe because it really is a childhood favorite, isn't it? You're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com, and today it's a classic, simple chocolate chip cookie recipe. Everyone loves chocolate chip cookies, and basically there are so many different kinds of chocolate chip cookies out there that there are something for everyone. Some people like them thin and crispy, some like them soft and puffy, some like them chewy. There's just so many different ways to make a chocolate chip cookie with little tiny variations in the recipe. And today we're trying out the Nestle Toll House recipe. My absolute favorite chocolate chip cookie, the best one ever in my opinion, is this one. I will link it. But today we're testing out an old classic family favorite, the one you probably grew up making with your mom or your grandma in the kitchen. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. You're gonna start these cookies by making sure that your butter is softened. So now let's get started. Add your 1 cup of softened butter to a large bowl and add 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. I'm using a stand mixer to cream this together, but you can also use a hand mixer. Just cream it until the mixture is nice and fluffy. Once it's creamed together, you're going to add 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix that together and then add in 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. If you prefer, you can mix together the dry ingredients ahead of time, but I like to do it just all while I'm mixing. Once that's all mixed together and smooth, you're going to add 2 cups of chocolate chips and 1 cup of chopped nuts. If you're not using the nuts, add an extra cup of chocolate chips. This is a super easy cookie recipe. I mean, it's basically no fail. You don't even have to chill it, which is one of the things I really like about it. The cookies aren't as soft and puffy as the normal ones I make, but they're still really good. They have really great flavor. And once you have that cookie dough, that's it. We're gonna scoop these onto our cookie sheets. And then we're going to bake them. So they do spread a little bit, so I like to spread these a little bit farther apart than I would a chilled cookie. If you thought that the regular Toll House cookies were easy, the bar cookies are even easier because you just press them into the pan and bake. Super simple. I'm using a 9x13 pan. I've put foil in there, sprayed it with nonstick cooking spray. You can use parchment if you prefer. I always like to line my pans because it's just easy for removal and for slicing and for cleanup. And once you bake them, they're gonna get really golden on top, but they have that super chewy, soft flavor that you come to expect from the classic recipe. And that's it. Once you have your cookies, these are what the cookies look like. They're nice. This is a 2 tablespoon cookie. So they do spread out, so you can make 1 tablespoon cookies if you want even more of them. If you want to make bar cookies, this is what it looks like when they're nice and soft. There's so much chocolate in there and they stay nice and soft, kind of like my blondie recipe. These are really, really good too. Leave me a comment and let me know which way you'll make them. Will you add any other mix-ins? Do you like nuts in your chocolate chip cookies? And keep watching for even more cookie recipes.